up? It's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are welcome here as well. And if you want to join the family, go ahead and subscribe. And if you want to be a part of my life, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. And today, as you can see, I'm so cold right now. Yeah, because it's like 70 degrees here. And it's sunny. Winter really sucks in LA, but I gotta do what I gotta do. And at least my makeup is gonna look like I'm cold. So today I'm gonna do a winter makeup. It's gonna be super simple. I emphasize mostly on my cheeks and my lips and the highlighters. So the eyes are really simple. If you are a beginner or you want low maintenance, go ahead and try this look for your winter. Let's go ahead and hop onto the tutorial. Okay, first of all, for foundation, I'm gonna go with something that is a little bit more moisturizing since it is dry outside. Go ahead and one pump. I just evenly, nicely spreaded these out. And now with the wet sponge, I'm gonna dab it. And I have a lot of scars right now, so I'm gonna wait like 1 to 2 minutes to double layer it. Just on the cheek area. And now with the brow, today is more like a defining vibe more than being too dark because I don't want it to overpower my eyes today. And I'm gonna draw the brows one by one, a little bit more heavy on the front. Just very natural, filling in the bold spots. For today's look, I wanted to look a little bit softer, and for those that want to have a softer look, you should lower the shade of your brows. Like imagine me having the same color brow as my hair right now, I'm gonna look really strong. So I'd say this is like 1 to 2 shades lighter than my hair color, which is perfect. And next we are going with the shading. As you can tell, this is neutral and this is cool tone. But today my foundation is neutral and my blush is gonna be more on the warm tone-ish neutral. So I'll use this shading so that it could balance better. Let's first go with the nose. I'm gonna mix these two, starting with a little line right here, little line right here, a little line right here, and a little line right here. I made a little square. Now let's kind of round this up. Don't make it too cornery. Now with the bridge, I'm just gonna boom, 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 bam, bam, bam. Just gonna focus on this triangle right here. Do you see the difference? Like this side, flat. This side, depth. And now with the more arrow brush, I will contour my cupid's bow, my 애교살. And also, I'm not powdering up today because I do want the natural glow going on my skin. Now today's main product, I'm gonna use Fwee. This is shade number 1, O. I feel like this was the most neutral shade that they had, so I got this one. Okay, for placement, y'all, where do we get red when we're cold? Obviously our nose. So let me go on the nose. I'm not flipping you guys off, okay? Okay. So I'm gonna do it in the area where I shaded the tip of my nose earlier and then just blend it up. Wait, this smells good.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
Oh, we're literally gonna have both of that. We're gonna have a red nose and a shiny nose with the highlighter later. Next, it will be our chin on the tip right here. Usually when we're cold, we get pretty red like around here, kind of like where I dotted. I'm gonna spread it more upward. And I'm not gonna connect it with my nose. I just don't like that. 너무 예쁘잖아. Guys, makeup is all about hyping yourself up. You know, something I really like about this right now is that it's not taking away the glossiness. It didn't make my face matte. We're gonna do our lips with this thing too. So let's go ahead and overdraw the lips first. And then go ahead and dab, dab, dab. This is a really nice pen to overdraw because like this shade, really neutral, very nudie. So even if you mess up, like you could barely see. But then it does its job. The bounce, bounce. I actually never tried this on my lips, so I'm scared. Guys, the lip color, I love it. For eyes again, I'm gonna use this as a little base eyeshadow in the top. Just very lightly, slightly. 아, 너무 이쁘잖아. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this on my eyes too. But guys, I look so cold right now, right? And like I mentioned, we're gonna go really minimal with our eyes. So let me go ahead. I do want to use a brown liner today and just do a thin layer. Okay, I did the base eyeliner, but with the wings, I'm gonna go lower today. Follow my eyeshadow shade. So cute. Oh no, this eyeliner is dying on me. Okay guys, this brown eyeliner is like giving up on me, so let me go ahead and just do black. From here, I'm just gonna go ahead, curl my lashes with the heated curler. And now with the regular curler, I'm gonna pinch the roots. Yeah. Then apply the mascara. Also to the lower lash. Okay, did the mascara on both sides. But now that I have black, the transition of the shadow and the eyeliner is very strong. So I do want to add a little bit of like super dark eyeshadow that is gonna be an eyeliner. So of course, my favorite palette right now, I'm gonna go with this color right here. And just draw eyeliner like right above the eyeliner. And for the wing, you could let the eyeshadow just naturally disappear so that you are not messing with that wing. I don't know if you could tell, but the transition with the eyeliner and the eyeshadow is way softer. Alright, we're almost done with the eyes, but last but not least, we do need to put a white highlighter. Yes. So I'm gonna go ahead, get the lightest one. We're gonna apply it into the inner corner. I usually don't like to do white highlighters, but then for winter, it's an exception. You know what though? I do want to emphasize my makeup stars just a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and put on a concealer to make the fat a little bit more fatter. Now for the face highlight, I'm going to add it right here and then right here with even more white highlighter that I have. The other one is not white enough. I need a white, okay? So on the tip and then right here. Bam. Ooh, I'm a Rudolph. And lastly, I want to put my rom&nd gloss. My favorite gloss out there right now. First of all, it's so shiny. It's very cooling because it's minty. It smells like a mint too. But the glow that it gives, so nice, so nice. Not gonna lie, I love my nose right now. But I think I'm done. Well, anyways, that is it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions or comments or concerns, let me know in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!